Okay, guys, well, it's February 2023, and it's warming up a little, still not too much. In fact, I'm turning the heater on. And I was at Home Depot, and, you know, I'm a nut for tools, so anyway, I bought this. They had this on clearance at a pretty good price, so let's take a look at it. Paper on here. So I'm getting this unboxed, looking at what we got. It says it comes with a circular saw, hammer drill, a driver, a light. I think they just put those lights in to say they've got a 5-piece kit. Reciprocating saw, sawzall, 2 batteries and a charger. Like I said, these are XR brushless tools, so pretty excited about that. Okay, so these are the tools. I want to show you this. This is a metal chuck. Notice these are XR, extended run, or extended, I guess it's extended run. Again, it has the 3-position power switch. This is a hammer drill. I don't know how often I'll use that, but it's nice to have it. And these are 20-volt, 4-amp-hour batteries, XR. All these tools are brushless. Pretty hefty sawzall. Nice reciprocating saw. I like that they're all brushless and they're the XR. And this is the their better version. Then hey guys, so the air compressor kicked on and drowned out my audio there. So, again, what I was talking about was this saw. It's the metal, 7 1/4 inch. It has a metal guard. It comes with this hanger. You'll see here in a sec. That hanger, you can hang this on framing or stairwells or any 2x4 or any pipe. The bonus for me was this, the storage case, the tough system that DeWalt has. That case alone is $100, so I was pretty happy about that. These are 20 amp, 4-amp hour batteries. They came with 2 of them. I'm charging the other one. That one I had already charged, and that kit, I think, for $450 is a solid buy. I recommend it. And we will see you further on down the trail. Bye.